Compra, compra! Roba fresca dal mercato!
Billig! Punta billig!
Whoa! Watch it! Excuse me! Okay, stop. Just breathe this in for a second. You taste that? That metallic tang on the back of your throat? That's raw coal smoke mixed with the ammonia of 10,000 horses doing their business right here on the street. This is New York City, 1900. I am standing right here. Look at the chaos behind me. You don't need a time machine anymore. With advanced AI, we can jump straight back into the turn of the century. And forget the sepia tone nostalgia. Forget the polite history books. This place, it's a pressure cooker. It is the densest, dirtiest, most dangerous place on planet Earth right now. We are standing at the exact moment America is inventing the modern metropolis. And let me tell you, the birth pangs are ugly. We've got skyscrapers inventing the skyline, and down here in the mud, we've got gangs fighting for every inch of sidewalk. Let's go take a look. We just moved a few blocks over into the notorious 5 Points area. Now, the history books will tell you about the melting pot. In 1900, 2/3 of the people in this city are foreign-born or first generation. They're crammed into tenements, places with no light, no ventilation, and often no indoor plumbing. The smell coming out of this hallway, it's the smell of unwashed bodies, boiled cabbage, and desperation. And when you pack that many people into poverty, you get predators. Look at those guys over there. Don't stare. This isn't West Side Story. There's no choreographed dancing here. These are likely members of the Eastman Gang or the 5 Pointers. In 1900, the police are so corrupt, they're basically another gang wearing blue uniforms. If you're running a pushcart, you pay protection money. If you're walking home late with your wages, you better have eyes in the back of your head. It's tribal warfare for territory in the mud. This isn't romantic. It's survival of the fittest in the grimiest arena ever built. Okay, let's get out of the slums and look at the ambition. This is where the AI really blows my mind. We've all seen these photos. The Flatiron Building under construction, 1901. It's cool, but it's dead. It's frozen history. Look at this. It's not a photo, it's a construction site. Look at the steam cranes lifting those girders. No safety harnesses, no hard hats, just guys walking on steel beams 20 stories up, smoking cigarettes. You can feel the vibration of the rivet guns in your chest. Same thing here, the Brooklyn Bridge. In the archives, it's a statue, but in the simulation, it's a major artery. Look at the traffic jam down there. Horse shit and early electric trams fighting for space. And look at the skyline. No Chrysler Building, no Empire State, just church steeples and smokestacks. And finally, where I'm standing right now, this is Times Square. Except it's not. It's called Longacre Square. It's the center of the horse and carriage trade. It smells like a stable. You see those few electric lights trying to cut through the gloom? That's the future arriving. In 5 years, the subway opens right here. In 10 years, this is the center of the world. But right now, it's just dark, muddy, and full of horses. It's brutal. It's smelly. And it is absolutely incredible. Spending time here, it changes how you see the modern world. We look back at these black and white photos and they feel distant, safe. But when you stand in the simulation, you realize something. The people who built New York, the Italians, the Irish, the Germans, the Jews, everybody, they were tougher than we will ever be. They lived in filth, they fought for pennies, and they died young, just to lay the foundation for the city we have today. It's brutal, it's smelly, and it is absolutely incredible. If you want to keep exploring history without the rose-colored glasses, hit that subscribe button. We're using this tech to go everywhere. So the big question, where or when should I travel to next? Do you want to see the smog in Jack the Ripper's London in 1888? Or should we go way back to the gladiators of ancient Rome? Let me know down in the comments.
I'm getting out of here before I get mugged.